If you are looking to buy your hosting from Hostinga, then it's the right time of the year to buy your hosting from Hostinga, because right now the Black Friday deals are going on, and I will give you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discounts on already running Black Friday deals. So guys, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing Black Friday deals to buy right now. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by almost every famous website on the internet. And if you see all the reviews of the Trustpilot is one of the most industry authenticated review based websites, and you may see that the reviews are seamlessly migration from GoDaddy, smooth experience with Hostinger, one company to rule them all. Fanny understood the problem. I'm 82 plus year old, had a severe issue, but he sorted out. My experience with Hostinger support has been exceptional. I'm truly very satisfied with the service you provided. The best function, price, and service out there. So you can see that the majority of the reviews are 5-star, amazing reviews, and the best thing is that Hostinger has 30 days money back guarantee. And if you scroll below, you can see that these are three most popular plan to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Plus the Black Friday deals are running right now, so guys, you have to stay before you buy, because I will also reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discounts to buy on already running Black Friday deals. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger has fast, secure, and reliable servers, amazing features. You are getting free domain with all of the annual plans. If you are coming from another hosting company, the procedure is going to be very quick and easy for you to shift on Hostinger, and the control bar is super easy, super friendly. Hostinger has fast, speed, reliability, efficiency, and you have an option of data centers all around in the world with 24/7 support, and the security features are just mind-blowing. You have an option of automatic backups, you have an SSL certificates, DDoS protection, almost everything is inside over here. And right now 3 million people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. And now if you want to buy your hosting from Hostinger, simply select the either of these plan, and I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough research. And because right now the Black Friday deals are going on, and with this coupon code you're going to get additional discounts to buy. So after you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with whatever plan you are going to buy at Hostinger. After this, you will be redirected to another page over there. You can see that this is a limited time Black Friday deal, so this is the right time to buy your hosting from Hostinger, and you can buy it after choosing a billing period. Again, I highly recommend you guys to take the maximum advantage and opt for the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again. So once you select your billing period, after this select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discounting. After this, simply select the apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deals. After this, simply select the continue over here, but before you select the continue, there is another coupon code as well which you can use to buy, and that is the name of HI10. So you can use either of them to buy. After this, you can see that your price again got a further discount. Simply select the continue to buy your hosting from Hosting with special discount coupon code. After this, you can see that your price is a discount loaded, and now you have to write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details, simply select the continue to buy your hosting from Hosting. After this, select your payment methods to buy on. Hostinger offer variety of payment methods to buy, and that is another very good advantage of Hostinger. And this was one of the reasons I'm convincing people to buy. It's because they offer variety of services, function, features, and ample of payment methods to buy. And right now the right time of the year is also because the Black Friday deals are going on, and with this special coupon code you are going to save maximum amount of money. So simply select any payment method to buy. I'm going to offer the credit card to show you the procedure to buy your hosting, and you can also select other one as well. You can select any as per your convenience. So you can select PayPal, or let's say we're going to credit card. You can select either of them to buy, and after this write your billing details over here and simply submit. With that, how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last years, and my experience so far is very good, and I highly recommend you guys to opt for hosting. And this is the right time of the year to buy, because the Black Friday deals are going on, and the special discount coupon code link is going to save you a lot of money. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.